you're experiencing issues with the AFC25 multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming console or PC and unplug it from the power source for a few minutes. Then plug it back in and restart the device. This can help clear temporary issues affecting the multiplayer connection. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of EA FC25 installed. Check for any available updates on your platform and install them. Outdated versions can lead to connectivity problems. Step 4. Check internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test or try connecting another device to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If you're still having issues, consider adjusting your network settings. This may include enabling UPnP on your router, using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi, or checking for any firewall settings that might be blocking the game. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the multiplayer issues in EA FC25. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.